Hi everyone, and I'm here in San Francisco at the SoftBank Robotics headquarters, where I've just had the unbelievable experience of meeting a new robot that they've just released in Japan. And what makes this robot so fascinating is that this, what they call Wiz in Japan, made by SoftBank Robotics, just behind me as you can see, can move somewhere between 1.5 and 2 miles per hour. The battery life is about 3 hours. It can clean 500 square meters in my Aussie language, and I think the Americans say about 15,000 square feet per hour. It's truly remarkable. I've just seen it in action. I'm totally blown away. What the future of industrial cleaning looks like is it's a bright future, and thanks to automation. So that's another episode of Be the Change in 60 Seconds. Where will I see you next week?